So the last time that we were in school together, we were talking about penguins. How tall they were, how many liked to flock together, how many were on the iceberg versus how many were in the water. While we would love to use our penguins today, unfortunately, I don't have penguin feathers on me. So we're gonna have to use things like seeds, sugar candies, and M&Ms. These are all objects that we can find in our house. I did use a lot of food, but you could use paper clips or pieces of paper or chips, whatever around your house that you can find. So, what we're going to be doing is finding all the number combinations to a certain number. For our first example, we're going to be using our seeds. So if I have a total of 12 seeds, some of them are brown, some of them are white. The first way that we could have 12 is So instead of using our penguin feathers, we're going to be using 2 different colored beans to start out with to help us find our number combinations to 12. So to start out, the easiest way I can think of is having all 12 of one color. Let's make sure that we have our 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my combination for this would be 12 plus 0 equals 12. I'm going to put all of them down here so that we can keep track of them. Another combination to 12 is if we incorporate a brown bean. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 white beans and 1 brown bean. We're going to use our counting up to make sure that we're correct. We know we have 11. That's 12. A different combination to 12 is 10 and 2. But let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we're going to get a little tricky. Now we have some white beans and some brown beans. The white beans have the higher number, so we're going to start counting from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus what equals 12? Well, let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could also use my counting backwards method and say 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. One final one that we could use it's much easier to see if we set it up in this manner with our doubles is 6 plus 6 equals 12. Those aren't all of the ways that we can make 12, but those are a significant portion of them. For further practice, we're going to switch from our beans to some M&Ms. I have 14 M&Ms total. To start, I'm going to have all 14 be one color, just like we did with the last one. So if we arrange them to look more like a tens frame, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. we can see that we have 14 of one color and none of the yellow ones. So our equation would be 14 plus 0 equals 14. Now what if I were to take away these 4 and add these 4? My combination would now be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 10 plus 4 equals 14. Next, I'm going to keep my tens frame, but I'm going to substitute one of those for one of these. Now my equation is 10 and 11 plus 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure it adds up. 11, 12, 13, 14. Finally, we'll do this one for 14. If I have 8 blue M&Ms, how many more do I need to get to 14? We could count up, say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and look at it and say that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or we can start at the 14 total and count back. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And understand that there's the 6 there. Finally, we're going to be working with one other number. The last number that we're going to be working with is 9. We're going to figure out all the combinations to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in our first one, we have 9 plus 0 equals 9. Next, we have 8 plus 1 equals 9. Then 7 plus 2 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus our 1, 2, 3, 4 gives us a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do the same one in reverse. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And just like that is reversed, the rest of them are all the same. So we're just going to work our way backwards. So we will have 3 plus 6, 2 plus 7 equals 9, 8 plus 1 equals 9, oops, 1 plus 8, sorry, and finally 0 plus 9 equals 9. Your task is to find a certain number of objects and sort them so that you can find all the different combinations just like we've done here. You can use food, you can use paper clips, you can use drawings, anything that you want that you can use to create this project. You can pick between the numbers 10, 11, 12, 15, and 16. Good luck!